Hi and welcome to my studio. The two most useful options of the selection tool are freehand and automatic. While in freehand we simply draw our selection freely, in automatic setting we choose part of the work by pressing on it with the pencil. We can set the selection threshold by sliding the pencil sideways. Less is selected as we slide the pencil to the left. For this illustration, I created separate layers for the body and the belly of the character. So let's do this again for the belly this time. Fill the layer with color, then choose only the part that you want to work with. Now let's use the transform tool to remove the selection off the canvas. Copy and paste it to a new layer, then keep the layer that we want. And now we're ready to begin coloring our work. Here's a quick and fun way to color your work. Throw multiple colors on your canvas in a new layer. Blend the colors together with the blur tool. Choose clipping mask from the layer menu and your layer gets beautiful colors all over. We can leave it like that, or keep adding texture and highlights. Let's do that. I love the look and feel of watercolors in my digital work. Let's see how it's done. But first, let's figure out how watercolors differ from digital coloring. For one, the texture of the paper will show through, right? Because the paint is transparent. The paint can get grainy when there's lots of it on the edges of the brush stroke. We want to show that in our digital work. There will be water splashes and blotch marks on the page too. So, pick a brush that draws large and distinctive strokes from the painting and artistic brush menu. Set the brush to about 70% opacity. Draw with gentle gestures and short brush strokes. You want each one to be a little different than the other, and change the direction of your brush strokes frequently. Try to keep the paintwork fresh and be mindful not to overwork your illustration. Draw lightly and keep changing colors as you draw. And by the way, if you're interested in my custom-made brushes and these are the ones that I'm drawing with here, please leave a comment and I'll figure out how to make them available for you. let's add a few highlights and glam to the character. Well, maybe more than a few. By the way, has anyone figured out yet who's the character in the illustration? Well, I'm a huge fan of Miyazaki's work. Finish up with the face, and we're done. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you enjoy this video and make sure to subscribe to catch up. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.